everybody, again with the beginning of the video, heading over to the stacker and screener. So basically it's the start of the week today. Today's Tuesday. Predicament that we ran into first thing was my stacker actually has a drum roller that completely just tore apart, just blew up. So I got Brad over here, he's helping me. And we're gonna try to find a way to get some soil screened up, at least just to save me for today. And it's gonna be pretty interesting because we have to move this entire stacker over. Then we're gonna use the 170 to load. Then we're gonna use the loader underneath the hopper collecting dirt to dump it. It's not the most efficient way of doing it, but it's the only way to do it with what we have right now. So let's get this stuff moved. Should be all right, yeah. You're clear. Okay, so what Brad's gonna do, what we just talked about, is he's gonna grab some of this soil from over here and just get a little pile started for himself, basically so that he loads, and then I have the loader bucket underneath the hopper, and we're just gonna do it that way for now. So I'll set up a little time lapse because the loader's being used right now, and you guys can check out that. Making it work, baby.
For the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all.
That button there is for the hydraulic fan. It turns this thing here. Both fans cool down the main hydraulic lines. So what we'll do is we will rev it up, and then I need to lift my shredder out of the way. Squeaking is just one of the rollers. You can't really put grease in them, but not a big deal. All right, so Brad's going with the first one here. And I know it is loading from the wrong side, trust me, I know that. It's just easier when you're loading with the shovel so that you can see what you're doing. Screening. Nice. Awesome. You guys want to see the type of soil that we're making here? It's nice. It's actually some stripped off sod too, so look at that. Nice stuff. Some of the trunks are just what's left, that was left in that hopper. There's the big boss man. Would you bring us coffee? No. really fucked up way of doing it. I got people calling me on my phone. Man, today is pure chaos. I wouldn't have it any other fucking way.
Tokyo.
That was a really cool angle that we got there. So basically what we got to do now is I got enough made up, just looking at what I need in quantities for the day, that just with calls coming in, and I should be pretty good, in good shape there now. But I do need this stacker fixed like ASAP, but nothing I can really do about that. So let's close things up, and then I got to move some material here with the 170. The key to the skid steer. Get in the skid steer and move that trailer. As it won't start. There we go. It's all that goddamn technology, I tell ya. Feels like it's winter time running this thing. You guys ready for plowing this winter? I tell you what, I'm excited for it. Nothing beats the cab of a cat skid steer. All right, hopefully you guys got a good angle here. We're rocking the bucket cam. How was your long weekend? No? Oh, really? That's crazy. See you, man.
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right. What I'm gonna do now is I have to, like that stuff there has been sitting there for probably, well, a little too long. So I'm gonna get the 170 and pull it down. And then what I'm gonna do is, just from guys that's not Al or me loading trucks, they've been kind of making a hump where the topsoil is. So actually, it's hard to tell with the video, but all this is kind of elevated. And it's elevated because whenever people are going to the loader pile, they're angling the bucket more up rather than keeping it flat. So we're gonna get in the 170 and fix all that, and all the stuff that I scrape off the bottom, I'll move and it can get rescreened, but the stuff that's fluffed up, I'll just pull down and we'll make some more room for it. And these are my bill books. So basically, whenever the guys come, I write, this is my childish handwriting. You know, customer, date, their job address that it's going to, the quantity, triaxles are 21, and then I need to get a signature. They keep an original, and then that's how I invoice. I invoice with the yellow copies, put them in the computer, and send a proper invoice to the customers. Al, if you're watching this, I'm sorry for opening the doors, buddy. Oh, Brad's rocking into some Bee Gees. Holy, he's like sleeping in this thing. All right. Now that I'm all situated. See, it's all good topsoil underneath that just kept getting packed down, you know? It's a no good. we'll pile it here. Actually, probably not. Might be in my way. Trick is when you're cleaning it off, not grab the stuff underneath, because we do have like a pit runny stuff underneath, and I definitely don't want to end up with gravel in the soil. I know that the screener will screen it out, but sometimes some stuff gets passed by the banjo strings on it. I'll just keep pulling that stuff back with me. This will help even everywhere because it is so uneven around here right now. Like I said, just from so much stuff kind of going on here, like things have been so busy this year. And you know, that being said too, I want to welcome all of our new subscribers and let you guys know that if you are not yet subscribed to, please do that. Hit that little red subscribe button because we got tons of awesome content coming out, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys, even this winter, everything that we got going on. It's some pretty exciting stuff going on here.
I'm gonna tell you something strange. When it's little bit too late. Got no numbers, got no shame. Blinded to corruption. Got no time to be at home. When I do, I check my phone. Put my 5 boys in a row. Go like light it low.
Alright, now we're gonna pull down some of this stuff. Topsoil, not stuff. We're gonna park this and then get back in the skid steer and move that stuff that we just piled up, the stuff that can get rescreened. But just looking at quantities, I should be good for today, but I'm not kidding when I say that that stuff will all be gone today. All right, see you later, Gord. Peace. He's headed out, which gives me about 40 minutes. Not 40, I shouldn't say that, about 35. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch. My truck's over here. Look at this. Instagram, YouTube. Make sure you guys are subscribed and following at KWC 2000. Stop plugging. All you do is plug. Yeah.
Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high all life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky far behind.
Alright, made it to Sobeys. Let's go grab something. Yeah, just truckloads. If he wants a full truckload, I can do that. But other than that, no, I don't really have time, or I'm not really set up to do small loads like that. Okay, thanks, Ken. Bye. What a crazy, crazy busy day. All right, sandwich, salad, kombucha. Let's get after it. All right, time to go see Corey and the guys. I got a bit of a break. He's gonna give me an hour and a half because he's got a whole load of asphalt. That gives me enough time to go down there and see the guys. Let's do it.
Everything we do can't break into.
All right, made it here to site. Corey, Cody, eating some McDicks. Corey, come over here and tell us what you're doing. So,
Doing a pretty big septic.
yeah?
Engine system. This is the edge of our cut here.
Hmm.
So we started up here, and this was kind of like a big dome. Existing land came down. So we started down here on the low side. You gotta strip all your organics, your grass, root structure, all that stuff
Wow,
off.
nice material.
And then now we're gonna build all this area up to match this existing slope coming off of here. And this will all be more of a flat area.
Nice.
We got a fair bit of material to move.
What are you doing with it all? Is it all staying or is it all coming off?
All gonna stay.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, for your slopes.
He's got 25 acres here.
Yeah.
So he can use it regardless, but I think I'm gonna use a swag of it on that back end.
Nice. Yeah, this is a big property here.
25 acres. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is really
It's
nice.
quiet. It's nice. It was in his family. His parents built it. Then he took over and re-renovated the whole inside, so it's been in his family for quite some time.
It's always nice to do it, to have jobs on nice properties like this.
Oh, it's quiet.
Yeah, I agree. It's nice.
Shade. There's not a lot of fog. It's a great time of year.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Coffee could be a little closer, but we'll make that work.
Yeah. No, we're busy at the yard. The WCI's guy, he's like, oh, you got about an hour and a half because he's hauling a load of asphalt. So I said, well, let's bring the camera down here and say good day to these guys, spice it up a bit rather than just me loading material up today.
Oh, now you've been busy, hey?
Oh man, it's been insane. And our stacker's down.
Yeah.
So I need soil and it's crazy.
Everything's busy.
Yeah, like I said, today, everything I had planned that I was gonna do today just like went out the door and it was like, all right, this is what I'm doing. But
Existing septic tank in here.
is it?
We uncovered that, got it ready to be pumped out tomorrow. Our new septic tank's coming tomorrow.
And where's the new tank going?
It's gonna be going out here.
So you're gonna abandon this one?
Yeah. So we're abandoning that. I'll tie into the pipe over here, bring a 45 across through here. And my new tank is going in this general area. I may shift it
Nice.
a little bit around.
It's a big tank. What did you say it was? 70?
It's 7,000 liter.
7,000 liter tank.
Yeah.
Maybe what we'll do is actually, you guys got to stay tuned because maybe we'll film that tomorrow, that big concrete tank getting dropped in.
Yeah. It's getting in tomorrow, come hell or high water. We gotta get it in.
Hell or
Just
high
don't really want
water.
to destroy the tree digging the holes.
Save the trees, man.
It's a nice tree.
It is a beautiful tree, man. What is it, a poplar, a birch? No, it's a birch.
I don't know trees.
I don't know, me neither.
Green, it's got green leaves and a trunk.
Someone in the comments let us know what that is. I think it's birch. It's got white. I don't know.
I don't know either.
All right, well that's cool. I have a meeting now that popped up at 1:30 that I got to go to, but I wanted to show you guys what these doggers were doing today.
Oh, eating lunch?
There's King of the Doggers on his lawn chair.
King of the Doggers.
We just got to get a piece of black tape. Go like that with it. Cody, everyone write down in the comments below. Cody, smarten up. He's got to be wearing his KWC hats.
Word of the day.
But like I said, I'm going to be loading up these trucks, put some fuel in the loader, wrap up things there, and then we're gonna hit it hard again tomorrow. So guys, if you watch the entire video, thank you for coming along today. Make sure that you are subscribed, hitting that thumbs up button, and leaving a comment down below. Always remember to work hard and work safe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all.
And no, I didn't forget about you guys. That's you, the ones, I'm talking to you right now, the ones that are still currently watching the video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are, I want you to comment down below, load it. Why load it? Because we were using the 450 today, loading up all those trucks, getting rid of all this soil in the yard. So if you watch the entire video, comment down below, load it. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow any stone for you. For the record.